In today's video, let's talk about how to use Viviver's secret chats. If you're trying to create a secret message that not other people can view, in Viviver, let me show you how it is done. Now, what you need to do is first of all open up a chat that you're trying to create a secret chat of, and then what you need to do is tap on the three dots on the top right, and then tap on chat info. Now, there are two things that you can do in this section. Either create a disappearing message, meaning you can set a timer. For example, if you set 1 minute, any messages now you send now will be deleted in 1 minute. So this message that I just sent right now will be deleted once the other person views in exactly 1 minute. Now, apart from the disappearing message, you also have the option called hiding a chat. If you scroll down a bit, you can tap on the hide this chat option, and then it will ask you to set a pin. This way, only after you set in a pin inside of Viviver, the message will be viewable. So you can tap on the set pin option and then create a 4-digit pin. Again, confirm it in the next section. And there you go, the pin now has been successfully set, meaning the chat now has been hidden. The way that you find it is type in the key that you just set in the search bar. As you can see, the chat now has been removed. To find that particular chat, just tap on the search bar on the top, type in the pin that you just set. And there you go, the hidden messages now will appear in this section. So these are the two things that you can do in terms of a secret chat inside of Viviver. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.